Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva Styles, and I am coming to you with a hair. This hair is it's a synthetic wig that I received months ago, sometime in 2018, and it's about time for the ends to be clipped. I don't want to cut it too short, but I do want to give this hair back to some life, which I used dry shampoo. I forgot which one I used, but I used the dry shampoo, not sponsored, but so far it took the oil the oily look out. Jesus, where your words at today, Tara? Anyway, it took the oil out of the hair and brought it back to life. See, it's still bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I'm also going to flat iron it. I'm just going to run it through it one time after I cut the hair. So we're going to do that on camera with her, Diva. What we're going to do now, I'm just going to cut different sections of the hair. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. Cue the music. As you can see, I cut it a little shorter. I don't know if you can notice it, but I cut it a little shorter to make it an even bob. I don't know if it's even because this dummy keep moving. I need a dummy head holder. So with that being said, I'm going to finish flat ironing the hair off camera. I had to cut the rest of it off camera because my card keeps saying full. So what I'm going to do is go off camera, finish flat ironing the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. And then tomorrow's video will be with me wearing this wig, doing my initial review. So stay tuned until okay, so this is the finished product of Tara do not know how to cut hair, so don't judge me. I'm not a stylist. I'm just me that loves hair and wigs, and I try. That's why I do it on synthetic hair, not real hair. This is the hair after. A nice little bob. A nice little remix to a synthetic wig. Oh yeah, and I said at the beginning that this was dry spray. No, this is hairspray. This is dry spray. I meant dry shampoo. Where are your words at today? But anyway, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and stay tuned. What's coming up next is me reviewing this hair on me, and then yes. So stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Oh, it has some body. And I see some parts of the hair that needs to be cut, like right here. So thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Do remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on that bell notification so you can see a lot more of me doing these things. Turn on your bell notifications so you can get notifications when I upload videos like this on hair. And coming up next is me installing this wig again and giving you my initial review on this synthetic wig that I had since 2018. That was about 4 or 5 months ago, so stay tuned.